Hello, this is an unboxing video, manufacturer number 90626. It's made by Streamlight. It's your Knucklehead light with a charger, holder, 12 volt DC cord in yellow. I'm going to open this box up and let you get a peek inside. Here we have a brochure on other products from Streamlight. Here we have your operating instructions. Screws for your wall mount charger. This is for your batteries. Your charger cord. The wall mount. It does say Streamlight Survivor down here. Comes with your Allen wrench. Here's the flashlight.